It actually took 20 days to fix the broken van. And finally, the day has come to put an end to 20 days of isolation. Good morning, TV crew. Finally, we're gonna leave this Vanlife community today. We stay pretty good here, except the weather. Was horrible. Yesterday's -3 degrees and frost everywhere. But anyways, we are gonna leave. And before we leave, we are gonna meet mechanic Tony and Tony's wife, Dawn, and say goodbye. Maybe we are gonna eat dinner or meal together. Alright, let's get ready. Tony and Dawn, they live like over 1 hour from here. And we gotta take this one out. Because it's cold and everything got frosted, so we put our insulation outside. But you guys can see, even when we use it inside, it absorbs the water a lot. And it's kind of trash right now. We are gonna change it when we live in UK. In UK, nothing much you can do. Okay. Wow, she has a hard time too. Oh.
It's the coldest Tui's engine's ever been, I think.
Oh. Hi, baby.
No, I haven't seen Andrew.
Oh.
No, where's Andrew? You're heading off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna head over to, was it Larg?
Yeah, Larg.
Larg?
Largs?
Larg,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. But it was really nice meeting you guys anyway. You know?
Anyways, you really made our stay here much
Much,
nicer.
yeah.
So
Oh, well, that's
Yeah.
kind. That's kind of you to say. That's kind of you to say. Good.
Alright, you give me a hug.
All right.
Take care.
Listen, Gemma,
We have
safe travels.
You
Right,
too.
please all drive safely. All right, I'm really sad to see you go.
Yeah.
No.
Well, you'll see us again.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we
Really.
will.
All right, you take care.
Time flies these days, you know?
약간 슬프다. Let's go.
Well, at least the roads are unfrozen now. Yesterday they're frozen solid. Let's go.
Let's go. Finally, we are going. Everything is frozen and frost. We haven't seen the sunset for a long time, right? We were so distracted by a sunset, and we missed. Actually, we took the wrong road. They are cute. 나도 저런 시절 있었는데. You guys don't try like wear the uniform, right?
No.
Like that, right? In Korea we do. We wear the uniform.
Get back to that road. Or
아니 안 가는 것 같은데.
there's the road that we came off.
근데 우리 이게 같이 평행선으로 가.
parallel.
어.
And then eventually it meets up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tony랑 Tony. They're here.
I don't think you can see us.
Yeah, I think it's too dark. Guys, we are gonna like eat dinner right now. Look at this. It's freaking cold. We found this restaurant and most places take out, so we could. This is I think only one we can sit together. So we are gonna go in. I think they are already in. There you go.
You like the sitting arrangement?
Yeah.
So you're saying this place is like a award-winning restaurant?
Yeah.
All right. Chimichangas. Tony's got the fish and chip. Oh, yours is tiny.
아니야, 볼이 깊을 수도 있어.
Oh yeah, it's steamy. I would say out of all of these, that one's the most impressive for sure. It's quite nice. I thought this was guacamole.
No. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They're mushy peas.
Oh yeah, it is spicy.
Yeah, it's good though. Got a little bit of B-roll. Yeah, bon appetit, everyone. Do you have a word in Scottish that's like bon appetit?
Pasta.
What?
Pasta.
Pasta.
Means tasty.
Ah, pasta.
Pasta. Or pasta. A pasta. Fresh isn't spicy.
Can't handle the spice, huh?
Just too much meals.
You just realized.
Too spicy for her.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually really smart. So you try two different meals, you eat half and half, and then you switch.
Since we were dating, I would order something, she would order something. She doesn't like her food that much. Switch. Every time. And when we were first dating, Lucy could not eat any spicy food. So I'm at the extreme opposite end. I'll eat like the spiciest food you can imagine. But now, I can't handle like super spicy food. Like since we've been living together for a long time.
Oh, you've adapted.
Yeah. So she can eat a little bit spicier food, and I can't eat as spicy.
So you really shot in the middle.
Yeah. So did you guys have a good time with us tonight?
Yes. What do you guys want to do now? Oh, is it cool?
If you guys are tired, you guys can just go home too, because we had a long day today.
Early the next morning, Tony and Don had another repair call, so we say our goodbyes and parted ways. We walk up early in our friend's neighborhood, taking the scenery we haven't been able to see at night. Now that it was time for us to leave the UK, we decided to travel from Scotland to Dover. We moved from Largs to Nottingham, wandering the streets and capturing the typical British atmosphere, scenes and buildings that could only be found in the UK. Then we head to South London and saw the fascinating floating homes on the Thames River. It made us reflect on the many different ways people choose to live. Finally, we arrived in the place called Chilham, not far from Dover, where we spent our last night car camping.
That's here. You're so wet.
어디에 있어?
Right here. It's still right there. I think it was right to this line before, so it fell a little bit.
아, 그래, 그러면 새는 거네, 지금?
Yeah, for sure.
Good morning to be crew. Today we are gonna take a ferry from UK to France. Actually, before that we had a little bit of issue with the tubby. A few days ago, we found that the tubby was kind of leaking a little bit for the brake fluid. We found it in our leveling block. So parking brake or side brake had a warning light. I think she really hates UK weather. I'm sorry, British people. Yeah, I think she doesn't like the wet and cold weather. So we are gonna serve that one when we get to the France. So today we gotta leave. Let's go.
Ready to go?
Yeah, ready to go. I forgot to change the SIM card.
Huh? You need to change it now?
No. We get there, we can
Oh, you're
change.
trying to cough too.
Oh my god.
Maybe finally catching a cold, huh?
Don't you think it's a perfect weather to leave UK today?
It's kind of weather we came in on, right?
Let's go to the port, Dover.
Dover.
Traffic light.
Oh my god.
신호가 엄청 많잖아.
This one's actually not that bad.
Turn right.
Turn right on the 82 Slope Road. Here? This is so
Wow.
confusing.
Oh.
So confusing.
Keep left. I think it's one way, right?
In
a quarter of a mile, merge onto A2. When we get confused, we usually say keep left.
So it's Dover.
Dover. We're Dover. Oh, I can see ya.
White Cliffs.
It's kind of greenish blue. No.
And this way, so we go for cars, right?
근데 그 뭐지? 포트에 오면 약간 복잡해.
Oh, look, yeah, looks like it's good thing we're not in the truck line.
어.
Oh, we're already coming into the control area.
아 진짜?
Passport.
아 그럼 내 쪽이네. Hi.
Oh, this is the French. Here, and that's the UK. So
Wait.
weird. The Police Nationale.
Thank you, Maxi Book. Let's go. Take it.
Take the next right onto Anson Corner.
Security.
Oh, wow.
와우. 이거 처음 본다. 이거 생겼네. 오케이.
Oh, security.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow. Yeah, Korea.
Right, are you carrying anything dangerous then? Anything sharp or explosive? Bombs, guns, knives, drugs, pepper sprays, anything like that?
No, we have our kitchen utensils. That's it.
Yeah, that's fine. I need to have a quick look.
Yeah, absolutely. So different from the last time.
그냥 나가는 거였는데. 네네. 야, 브렉시 전이랑 브렉시 후랑은 진짜 다르긴 다르다, 맞지? 뭐 또 꺼내야 돼? 또 패스포트야? 아니지, 체크인이니까.
Check in.
I need to write in the list. Hi.
Can I have your passport?
Yeah.
Is the van Korean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Must have cost a lot of money to get it here.
Yeah, but we did it over 5 years, so
Thank you. Thank you. We're here.
early.
This is our guys, we got to the ferry for too early. That's my personality. Seriously, I don't want to rush any things. So we're the first car on our line, and our ferry is not here yet. My new bag. Charity shop.
Tell them the story of this bag.
So since I got into UK, you guys saw so many footage that I went to the charity shop. I love that. I love the concept. So right before we leave UK, Mark said are you sure you don't want to do charity shopping? Actually, yeah, I think other European countries there are not that many. So we stopped by the Queen Elizabeth and the other few stores, and I found this one brand new. It has the cover with the paper, and then they sell it like £10. So I bought it. This is my new bag. Now.
It's a nice bag.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm kind of sad that someone just, didn't have a chance to use it, but I'm gonna use it all. Thank you. Thank you. 뭐 찾았다고?
Yeah. There's a shops or cafe or something like that.
봅시다. 그러니까 flow다. UK 오고 나서 계속 지금 옷이 다 꽃인데.
Okay, I'm blue.
우리 패션 테러리스트. 근데 with tons of confidence, right? Walked through here, I can see the Burger King and Costa Coffee.
We have a currency exchange. Let's go through this one. It says do not push.
Do you want some coffee or tea?
No, I'm good. There's no duty free here, huh? Did you find anything good?
This one. This one is the Winnie the Pooh. But I don't have a pound anymore. I have a £1. I could get that.
Yeah. What did you find?
The beer cup.
Nice. There's the lady princess.
Bye.
Alright, should we go back to the car?
Yeah. 땐동안이 그 빌딩 가보니까 끝났다.
You look sad.
How was your travel in UK? You were the one
Good.
excited, right? My personal experience 3 years ago wasn't that great, so I didn't have a high expectation, to be honest, right? But it was so great this time. Everyone is so nice, and Southern England was really cute houses and cottage. Wales was so nice nature, and Scotland just cherry on the top.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful. And we never did hiking that much. But oh my god, we did hiking a lot.
Turn the board.
아 진짜?
Yeah. First truck is going on. Okay, I'm gonna start our car up.
Bye door. Bye door. 내리면 되는 거야?
So, anywhere to park here, I guess.
여기에?
So here we go. We are going from Dover to Calais. Thank you. Duty free. Paddington Berry. Absolute vodka, £16. 20% off Valentine. We're gonna be too sick to be drinking anyway. We were just starting to catch our colds, right? You can get the reflector stickers here for your headlights. Oh, this would have been useful. Conversion chart, right? Look at this. You get a sticker to remind you of how to do a roundabout.
Oh my god.
They have alcohol breathalyzer tests.
I think France is mandatory, I think.
Paris is pretty nice. Don't you think?
Oh, this one is better than the FDS and the piano.
Should we go outside?
It's open. Bye bye, Kay. We had a great time. Bye. 이제 춥다. 우리 앉을 때 찾아보자, 아니야? We are approaching to the Calais port. I can see we're just entering right now. There you go. Soon we are gonna unload our cars and drive in France and opposite side of the road. Bonsoir, bonjour, merci beaucoup. French.
Okay, Sarah.
Que sera. 가야 되네. 가자. 해야 돼. 나갔나? 페리스 나갔나? 우리 지금 시간도 이제 바뀌지 않았어? 1 hour, right?
Yeah. Oh, keep right.
Oh, right, keep right. Oh my god.
Cops.
우리는 가라는 거지. 저 차는 잡혔다.
Yeah.
우리는 안 잡혔다.
I think it's proud.
Oh, we are.
I think we're out.
뭐이?
Yeah,
우리 다야?
I think that's it.
복수아, welcome to France. 아니야, 라운드밭. 라운드밭은 어떻게 들어가는지 알지?
Let's go this way. Yeah, right?
Yeah, this way. We park up the Carrefour Market. We are gonna get the SIM card because we don't have a data.
Carrefour. How many gigabytes?
It's 250 giga.
Okay, for 1 month. Okay.
Yes. You want this?
Yeah. Decline.
Oh, Korean card.
Ah, right.
Because sometimes we cannot use in France. That's tricky.
Yeah. Nice.
Your phone number?
Okay.
Okay. It's okay. It's activated.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we gotta find the parking to sleep.
I think it's just a farm field dirt road there,
Oh,
and it's kind of a lay-by on dirt road.
okay.
Should we try it?
글로 가보자
You can see the
그러면.
marshmallows.
Yeah, we can see that. I can see that.
Yeah.
가봅시다.
Yeah.
Road.
Road's a little bit rough.
Yeah. Wow.
Your destination is on the left.
How do you like the camping spot?
이거 뭐 나쁘지 않아. 조용해. 저녁을 만들어야 되니까. 지금 the recipe I captured.
Oh my gosh, I can't see you at all. Where are you, Lucy?
I'm in
Where
dark
are you?
spot. Don't mess up with me.
There you are.
I'm in dark spot. Don't mess up with me.
Okay, finished?
Yeah.
Oh, pop's already in there, huh?
Yeah. 된장술밥.
Oh wow.
먹어봐. 일부러 칼칼한 거 했다. 허니한테 안 매울 수도 있다. 내한테는 살짝 흡사하게 한데. 안에 돼지고기 들었거든. 어때?
It's good. It's good. Different. Good for my throat.
괜찮아?
Mm.